Embarking on the journey of learning a new language is an exciting and enriching endeavor. Whether you are learning a language for travel, career advancement, or personal growth, the ability to acquire language skills quickly can be highly beneficial. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 10 effective steps to help you learn a new language fast and efficiently. Learning a new language requires dedication, persistence, and a strategic approach. By implementing the following steps, you can optimize your language learning process and make rapid progress towards fluency. From setting clear goals and choosing the right resources to immersing yourself in the language and practicing speaking and writing. Each step is designed to accelerate your language learning journey. Setting clear goals is crucial in defining your language learning objectives. By establishing specific milestones and targets, you can track your progress and stay motivated throughout the learning process. Additionally, choosing high-quality learning resources that align with your preferred learning style is essential. Whether you prefer textbooks, online courses, language apps, or interactive platforms, finding resources that resonate with you will enhance your learning experience. Creating a study schedule and dedicating regular time to language learning is vital for consistency. By allocating daily study sessions and incorporating language practice into your routine, you can make steady progress. Starting with essential vocabulary and phrases allows you to quickly build a foundation for communication, while mastering pronunciation and listening skills will improve your ability to understand and be understood. Embracing immersion is a powerful strategy for language learning. Surrounding yourself with authentic language materials, engaging with native speakers, and incorporating cultural elements into your learning journey will deepen your understanding and proficiency. Practice speaking and writing regularly, seek out language exchange programs or conversation partners, and utilize language learning apps and tools to enhance your skills. Regular review and reinforcement of learned material is key to solidifying your knowledge. By incorporating spaced repetition techniques and reviewing vocabulary and grammar regularly, you can reinforce what you have learned and improve retention. Lastly, immersing yourself in the culture associated with the language adds depth and context to your learning, fostering a deeper connection with the language. Learning a new language fast requires commitment, dedication, and a systematic approach. By following these 10 steps, you can optimize your language learning process and make significant strides towards fluency. Embrace the joy of exploring a new language, immerse yourself in the culture, and enjoy the fulfilling journey of acquiring a new linguistic skill. Step 1. Set clear goals. Define your language learning goals. Determine the level of proficiency you aim to achieve and set specific targets for each milestone. Having clear objectives will help you stay motivated and focused throughout the learning journey. Step 2. Choose the right learning resources. Identify high-quality learning resources that suit your preferred learning style. This may include textbooks, online courses, language apps, podcasts, or language exchange platforms. Experiment with different resources to find the ones that resonate with you the most. Step 3. Create a study schedule. Establish a regular study schedule and allocate dedicated time for language learning each day. Consistency is key to fast progress. Divide your study sessions into manageable chunks and incorporate language practice into your daily routine. Step 4. Start with essential vocabulary and phrases. Focus on learning essential vocabulary and commonly used phrases from the beginning. Building a solid foundation of core words and expressions will enable you to start communicating and understanding the language more quickly. Step 5. Master pronunciation and listening skills. Dedicate time to improve your pronunciation and listening skills. Practice repeating words and sentences, listen to native speakers through audio materials, watch movies or TV shows in the target language, and use pronunciation guides or language learning apps to refine your accent. Step 6. Embrace immersion. Immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surround yourself with authentic resources such as music, movies, podcasts, or books in the target language. Engage with native speakers through language exchange programs, language meetups, or online language communities. Step 7. practice speaking and writing, actively engage in speaking and writing exercises to enhance your fluency. Find language partners or tutors to practice conversations, participate in language classes or conversation groups, and write regularly in the target language, such as journal entries or essays. Step 8. Utilize language learning apps and tools. Take advantage of language learning apps and digital tools designed to enhance language acquisition. These resources offer interactive exercises, vocabulary building games, flashcards, and progress tracking features that can make learning more engaging and efficient. Step 9. Review and reinforce. Regularly review and reinforce what you have learned. Schedule regular review sessions to solidify vocabulary, grammar rules, and language structures. Use spaced repetition techniques or create flashcards to reinforce your memory retention. Step 10. Immerse yourself in the culture. Develop an appreciation for the culture associated with the language you are learning. Explore literature, music, art, and cuisine from countries where the language is spoken. This cultural understanding will deepen your connection to the language and provide valuable context to your learning. Learning a new language quickly is an achievable goal with the right strategies and dedication. Throughout this comprehensive guide, we have explored 10 effective steps to accelerate your language learning journey. By setting clear goals, choosing suitable resources, creating a study schedule, focusing on essential vocabulary, mastering pronunciation and listening skills. Embracing immersion, practicing speaking and writing, utilizing language learning apps, reviewing and reinforcing, and immersing yourself in the culture, you can expedite your language learning process. It is important to remember that learning a new language requires patience, persistence, and consistent effort. While these steps can help you make significant progress, it is essential to maintain a positive mindset and enjoy the process of language acquisition. Celebrate small victories along the way and embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth. Each individual's language learning journey is unique, and the pace of progress may vary. It is crucial to tailor these steps to your own learning style and preferences. Experiment with different approaches, resources, and techniques to find what works best for you. Learning a new language not only opens doors to new cultures and experiences, but also enhances cognitive abilities, communication skills, and cultural understanding. It is a lifelong skill that can enrich your personal and professional life. Embrace the beauty of language diversity and the joy of connecting with others through words. Remember, fluency in a new language may take time, and there will be ups and downs along the way. Embrace the journey, stay motivated, and celebrate your progress. Embrace opportunities to practice the language with native speakers and fellow learners, as every interaction is an opportunity to improve and grow. Finally, enjoy the process of learning a new language. Immerse yourself in the culture, explore literature and music, and celebrate the richness of the language you are learning. Language learning is not just about acquiring words and grammar, it is about connecting with people, broadening your horizons, and embracing the beauty of global communication. With dedication, perseverance, and the application of these 10 steps, you are well on your way to learning a new language fast and effectively. So, seize the opportunity, embark on your language learning journey, and unlock a world of new possibilities.